Along with the Tutsi tribe from Rwanda, the Dinka tribe is recognized as having the tallest bodies in Africa and even the globe. Sadly, their height continues to decrease following the protracted conflict. Manute Bol, an NBA basketball player, is one of the most renowned members of this tribe. His height is 2.30 meters. In South Sudan, a large population of Dinkas resides along the Nile River. Dinka make up approximately 35.8% of South Sudan's population. The Dinka tribe is said to be descended from the Nilotic ethnic group, whose descendants are believed to have the highest body posture compared to other descendants. This is supported by the findings of surveys conducted annually. Roberts and Bainbridge examined the average height of the Dinka population in 1953-1954 using a sample of 52 Dinka Agar and 227 Dinka Roon. Consequently, the typical height of the Dinka tribe is between 1.82 and 1.83 meters. In 1995, the measurements of Dinka males who had fled to Ethiopia were repeated. According to the findings published in the Ethiopian Medical Journal, their mean height was 1.76 meters. In 1976, according to a study conducted by Evelith and Tanner of Cambridge University, the Dinka were also recognized as the population with the tallest bodies. Even more, it is rumored that they have lean, powerful bodies. There are several hypotheses as to why the Dinka tribe in South Sudan is so tall. First, because it is extremely hot in that country. Living things there tend to grow taller or longer in order to produce more perspiration. Then there is a second theory that asserts the Dinka are tall due to the diet they ingest. After conducting research, scientists have concluded that this is supported by Dinka cultural practices. They are accustomed to ingesting low-calorie foods, which are predominantly dairy, grains, and meat. Some members of the Dinka tribe adhere to animist or traditional religions, while a minor percentage also follow Christianity and Islam. The Dinka are renowned as expert cultivators of cattle and buffalo, and their traditional society depends heavily on livestock for survival. They were also renowned as skilled hunters and farmers, cultivating sorghum, beans, and sweet potatoes, among other significant agricultural products. Traditional Dinka values include a strong sense of brotherhood and a basic way of life. In addition, they have customs such as consuming cow's milk directly from a living cow and jumping over cows during religious or social ceremonies, which are unique. The situation differs from that of the Pygmies on the borders of the Central African Republic, who are significantly shorter than the average human. In fact, it was subsequently discovered that the culture and traditions they adopted were also notably distinct from those of the southern population. In fact, border regions are typically populated by individuals with similar characteristics. They are the largest ethnic group in South Sudan, with a total population of approximately 1.5 million individuals. The Dinka community is divided into numerous subgroups. Aside from that, the Dinka tribe has a distinctive custom. Specifically, they bequeath their spouses to their relatives. Similar to a relative's wife, a brother can inherit the property. Because tall men marry tall women, their offspring are guaranteed to be taller than average. In addition, there is a tradition that helps the Dinka maintain their height and strength. Specifically, by directly consuming raw cow's milk. Cows are not only a source of food for the Dinka tribe, but also a symbol of status, prosperity, and honor. Cows are also used as wedding dowries, compensation for conflicts, and in traditional ceremonies. The tradition of walking on cow dung is one of the most peculiar traditional ceremonies. This custom is observed by young males of the Dinka tribe who wish to mature into men. They were required to abandon their village and move to a location known as Luik. Luik is a type of large hut that houses numerous livestock. Here, the youth must maintain the cleanliness and care for the animals. However, there is one task they should not perform, and that is cleaning up bovine dung. Cow dung is allowed to accumulate within the badger until it reaches a height of several meters. The youth must walk barefoot on cow excrement every day.